Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi guys, it's Miss Ro once again, and today in this video you will learn how to log in to your Google Classroom. So first of all, make sure that you're using Google Chrome as your browser for easier navigation. So you just have to click on google.com, click on sign in. All the details have been provided by your teacher, so make sure that parents check your inbox and you will see an email coming from your homeroom teacher or SSTs. So log in using your child's email address, click on next one, and then enter password. So our default password is 12345678. If you wish to change it, you may do so. So there you go. And this message is going to appear. So you just have to click on next one. I apologize for my browser. It sometimes changes to Arabic. So yeah. Then there you go. You have already signed in your child's email account. So you just have to click on Gmail right here. Well, most of the teachers have already sent out an invitation. So you just have to click on the class invitation right here and scroll down, click on join, click on continue, pick your role as a student. And there you go. Congratulations! You have joined your Google Classroom in English. So it's gonna be the same procedure if you're going to join any of the Google Classrooms, whether it is PE, Arabic, drama, IT. So you just have to do the same. Congratulations guys and have fun learning. Bye!